Na va, išlėkiam pasivažinėti su dviračiais. Ir pralėksim kažkur. Pasifilmuosim. Galbūt droną pasikelsiu. Parodysiu gal gražių vaizdų, tik nežinau, kur tiksliai nuvažiuosim. Tai prasivažiuosim. Prasieisim, bus tėčio ir sūnaus išvažiavimas su dviračiais. Tai va ką, sėdam ant dviračių ir lekiam.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh,
Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. Cause I forgot about your friend, what's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a fever dream, when I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, then universe up, cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe up. Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time. Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me, wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream, when I found out that you have someone else
Na va, dviračių skulptūrą. Pasiekėm, atvažiavom. Fainai, nuvažiavom jau va. Laikės jau mina. Nuvažiavom, kiek čia mes nuvažiavom. Pažiūrėkim, nežinau ar matysis. 19 km, 360 metrų. Kaip ir neblogai numinėm. Tai va, minsim atgal. Ir gal dar kažko gražių vaizdų užfiksuosim. Rasim kažkur. Va, kokie gražūs vaizdai, liepteliai prie Nemuno. Einu pažiūrėti, kas gero. Sustojom. O čia kaip fainiai, suoliukas yra. Gamba vėjas labai didelis. Gali labai prastai girdėtis. Bet man faina, gražu padaryta. Dilgėlės auga. Ten va irgi gražu. Nemunas teka. Ten turbūt raudondvaris matosi tolumoj. Man šitas takelis toliau veda. Faina pasėdėti. Kur dar apžiūrėsiu visokias vietas pakeliui, kur galima nueiti. Tai va viena iš tų čia. Tai ten prie Piliakalnio labai faina irgi. Gražu. pravažiavom. Susukom nei daug, nei mažai. 37 kilometrus. Vaikis irgi susuko tiek pat. Kartu pravažiavom. O pas jį netgi daugiau dar. 38 760. Tai va. Tokia mūsų šiandien dienos tripas. 2,5 valandos dviračiu važiavom. Minėm, buvo visai smagu. Prasivažiavom, pamatėm. Tai va, tai tiek žinių. Pasimatysim kitą kartą.